Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give a big thumbs up on the video. Today I'm going to do another food review with yous. I'm going to head down to the main street of Werribee, try a food truck called Riley's Kai. It's a food truck in a little court with like two other food trucks, a kebab food truck and another one that does like fries, I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to head down there, probably film a bit of the area, and then we'll head back here and we'll give what we have here: potato cake, piece of fish, hot dog, fried bread steak burger, and some fries. So we'll hop right into that. Try fry first. So good. Okay, we'll give the hot dog a go. It's really good. That's that hot dog was great. So Riley Kai is like a food truck, like serving up different burgers, chips, fries. They do coffee, they do tea, stuff like that. So they're currently delivering on Uber Eats. Embarrassing. Yeah, so they're delivering on Uber Eats. They've been open for about 5 months now. So yeah, just starting out. Make sure you go give them a go. Support the local businesses. I just went and tried a piece of fish. Oh, yum. Wow. How delicious. That's good. So fried bread in a burger. I've never had that before. That's really good. Oh, that's so yum. Oops. That's delicious. Yum. Wonder what kind of salt they put on there. And the potato cake. It's a decent size. $1 that cost me. That's really good. Really good quality food. The fish. Wow. It's really yum. Overall, for value, I'll give it a 5 out of 5 stars. $23 is all cost me, and that's a decent sized meal for decent price. And for taste, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5 stars. Really good. They did a really good job, guys. I highly recommend going down there and trying them out. Beautiful. Alright guys, that concludes today's video today. So don't forget to leave a like on the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you to everyone that has supported me so far. We're so close to 500 subscribers. When we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway. Of what I'm giving away, I do not know yet. But we will figure it out. It'll probably be a gift card, something along those lines. But yeah, thanks guys, have a good one.